Okay guys, this is a side-scrolling video game which is kind of similar to Sonic the Hedgehog, Rayman Origins, and most notably, Rayman Legends. But this is called Zombie Tsunami, and it's kind of like Talking Tom Gold Run, but except it's zombies, and you don't have to collect gold. You just have to eat humans. Alright. So what my task is, collect 2 bonuses in one game, explode 19 bombs without the quarter bats, and flip 1 sign in the scene at the beach. Okay, I can do those. 2 bonuses, 19 bombs without the quarter bats, and finally, flipping a sign. We need to just eat. We need to eat everybody. That's for the zombies' brains. Perfect! I just got a perfect score. Didn't mean to pull a lady on there. I could see those mine bombs. Alright. Someone has been picking up on the trash can. Oh, I'm in Los Angeles now. Welcome to Los Angeles. Actually, it's pronounced Los Angeles. The science just gave me a thumbs up. It did it again. Just gonna flip over a car. What I got? A dragon! Ah! Everybody get out of the way. A dragon is here. I'm just going to kill everybody in the bus. Nom 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 nom. That doesn't what the dragons sound like. It breathes fire. But not in this one. Alright, let me just... Yes, I aided you, but without even dying for some reason. Oh. I oftenly die in the game when I lose my zombies by getting hit by an oncoming car, falling off of a hole, and even getting blown up by bombs. That also counts as a helicopter as well. Oh, I flipped the sign. Alright. Stay away from cars because they're oncoming. Yeah, I got a perfect again. I added 16 brains and now I have 12 zombies. Man, this is why I called... Alright, we're not going to exploit the bombs. We're not using the quarterbacks to destroy the bombs. Perfect. No, we're not destroying the bombs just yet. We're in Mexico. We're in Aztec, Mexico. No! No! Stop getting run over, man! No! How do you stop? Alright, flip over a car. Oh, no! Ah! Ah! Make it stop! Stop! Oh, I just only got 2 boys and 1 girl zombie. Now there's 3 boys. Oh, a girl just passed out because she got hit by something, and we got a tsunami. Destroy every single bomb and cars and persons and signs who just like flip. I'm about to destroy everybody. Come on, bombs, where are you at? There you... Oh! Explode 19 bombs without the quarter bats. I just flipped over a tank! What the heck is that cardboard bird doing? What the hell? Aided a woman. Oh, I only left 1 behind. I don't want 1 zombie to be left behind. 5 will do the trick. With 3 boys and 2 girls. another one. Come on. One of the zombies just passed out by falling off a cliff. One just got hit by a bomb. Just come on. Oh no, 2 of them got past. 3 of them passed out, and now it's only the girls. And now there are a species of ninjas. They can actually hit bombs as well. Shadouken! 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 That's from Street Fighter. Shadouken! 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 You can't Shadouken the bomb because it actually explodes the zombie. Oh, now we have 3 girls. One of them looks. One of the hairs looks similar to Madeline's, like in the show of this, like the show from the same name. Ah, oh my god! I'm just keep losing my zombies so much. I don't think I'm good at this game anymore. Oh, now we just got a boy one. Alright, there's only one girl left who was left behind. And she turned into a quarterback. Can it please be something else like a giant zombie? Come on. Now I can explode with the quarterbacks. 1 quarterback just passed out. Come on. Why is the cardboard bird shaking a lot? It's not supposed to do that. Ah! My zombie explode into pieces. Alright. We're upgrading my potion. Like a bottle of lotion. Hey, that rhymes! Touch the underside of the helicopter. Flip 4 signs and explode 3 bombs in Mount Rushmore. I can do them. So, touch the underside of the helicopter, flip 4 signs, and finally explode 3 bombs in the scene Mount Rushmore. There's a car screaming, but we need 2 more. I missed that one over there. Don't know why our boy zombie has like a cap on his head. The girl zombie has like a ponytail. And now we have a 3rd girl. Oh, this is exactly the Loud House. Now we got 2 boys and 2 girls, which means name them all Quadruo. I'm gonna touch underneath. Yes, let's touch underside of the helicopter. Alright. Dragon! What? Wait a minute. I just touched. Alright, flip signs. That seems to be a simple task. Go, dragon, go. Oh, it's like what we'd see in a carnival. Yeah, I ate that guy who was in a parachute. I think he was most likely skydiving. Man, I am such a whiz kid or a brainchild. Actually, I am just a whiz kid. I have a smart brain because I am just a brainiac. Okay, I'm in Los Angeles right now. It says Hollywood, but the word isn't reversed. Aw. Why is my zombies keep passing out for some reason? Probably because they weren't good enough. Oh, flip 4 sides completed. Alright. Quarterback. Enough of the quarterbacks already! I'm sick and tired of the quarterbacks. They suck. the quarter bats just aided a woman, and 5 of the quarter bats just passed out. Explode 3 bombs and Team Rushmore. Now there's only 2 girls. Hang on, 3 girls. 2 girls now. 1 girl is left behind. Now she has a twin sister. That girl was supposed to eat it, but I don't think so. Try not to make them fall, like in the hole. Oh, what I got? I got a balloon! Oh my god! You can see that the girl zombie's head actually expanded like a balloon. Now deflated, but now it's big! Like, oh my god! What? The orange hair kind of reminds me of Madeline's hair from the show of the same name. And one of the girl zombies just passed out for some reason. Because she got hit by a car. Ah! That was a close one. Oh, I just... Oh, okay. Alright, I just got everything I needed. Everything I needed! And... Ba-da! Alright, 1,500 coins. And looks like I won the lottery ticket. I won. I'm the winner. I'm going to scratch. Alright, that's an unlucky one. Same here. I am such a loser. I'm just going to duplicate my zombie, making it free. 2 boys and 1 girl. I think I'm about to pause right there.